there is no wellhead control panel PLC. The wellhead control is through relay-based panels. For the purpose of this project, it has been agreed that going forward we will consider presence of wellhead control PLCs on those wells also, because that particular job is being undertaken by ADNOC as part of a separate project. So as part of this project, our assumption, the agreed assumption that we have basically implemented is that right now there is no PLC there, but when this project will be executed, we need to have assume that this PLC is going to be present there.
Okay. So I definitely propose the same recommendation what we have taken in the earlier one, because the lesson learned workshop must be conducted during the EPC phase, and this would be covered in the EPC scope of work. So this action is to EPC, but the field contractor will update the scope of work for the EPC. So this is the correct situation. Demolition. So yes, of course, you are going to have the demolition activity. What is the scope of demolition? Known?
There will be existing pipe will be demolished, some part of pipe, and this installation of correlation meter will be part of that installation.
Okay. So demolition of existing pipe for installing for INS.
From instrumentation and electrical, they can confirm if any other demolition is required.
No, there is no demolition in terms of instrumentation or electrical.
Yes. So in this case, as we suggested earlier, so EPC contractor should ensure the demolition method statement is prepared, reviewed, and approved by company. Because there is hydrocarbon, then we have to have the waste management, because this is the hazardous waste, and this hazardous waste, right, demolished. I'm very sure the contractor will make the EMP and waste management plan, and the contractor has to ensure that this is demolished as per the company procedure. I will take one recommendation here, because this is very important. This is very important.